Rewinding the clock some 450 million years to ancient New York takes us on a journey of thousands of miles across Earth's hemispheres and around the Milky Way galaxy. To put 450 million years into perspective, our solar system has made 2 entire rotation cycles around the center of our galaxy in that time, spanning thousands of trillions of miles on its eternal cosmic journey. Our planet was much different nearly 500 million years ago. New York had yet to drift into the northern hemisphere and was located south of the equator, roughly where Brazil is today. The North American continent was in its primordial form, called Laurentia, which forms the craton, or core, of modern-day North America. Land was devoid of all complex life. Bony fish had not yet appeared in the oceans. Even the very first dinosaurs wouldn't appear for some 200 million years. But the oceans were already teeming with life, especially with animals called Trilobites. These segmented marine arthropods were some of the first complex animals to appear in the fossil record, and they dominated the oceans across our ancient planet during this time. Trilobites remain one of the most successful groups of animals to have ever existed on Earth, surviving for nearly 300 million years, when they finally met their end during the Permian extinction some 250 million years ago. Trilobites are amongst the most common of all fossils found today, with over 20,000 known species. Their hard exoskeletons were well suited to survive the fossilization process. However, their soft parts, such as their legs and antennae, were far too delicate to be fossilized in most cases. In fact, soft tissue preservation in the fossil record is incredibly rare, with just a few sites across the planet yielding such fossils. At the height of the Gilded Age in the 1880s in New York State, a discovery of fossilized animals nearly 500 million years old, themselves appearing to be gilded in gold, with all of their soft tissues preserved, would fundamentally change our understanding of early life on our planet.